welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be opening my deck of Scarlet for you guys. I think this might be my last deck of Scarlet. I haven't decided yet, but I do know I'm probably not going to get October's. Just because I don't really like, I don't use the in-between month ones. I don't even really use the palette yet. I just think they're really pretty. So we'll see. But anyways, this is who this collab is with. This girl right here. I do not know who she is. And then we're gonna take this little piece off. Ooh, this is a different palette. Look at Deck of Scarlet coming in with this when I'm like, I don't know if I'm gonna keep it. Something different. I'm actually excited. This is called Oracle Deck of Scarlet. Holy cupcakes, it's a legit full just normal palette. Look at how pretty these colors are. Beautiful. Except that's like coming out. But that's okay. These colors are so pretty. Oh my goodness. I like witchcraft. Let's see what it looks like. Look how pretty that one is. Ooh. Let's try Trance. Pretty over here. Super pretty. Mystic. That's really pretty. Oh my goodness. These colors are gorgeous. That is Fortune. This one, I don't know if you can see that very well. And then, let's see the one coming out. Which is High Priestess, I think. Look at that. That's insane. Holy crap. These are like really pretty colors. I'm just gonna, oh wow, look at that silver on the black. I'm making a pretty picture now. Okay, so yeah, this palette is like really pretty. I'm super excited to try all these colors out. I like that this is actually a palette. Not that the other ones aren't. I don't care that much for those lip glosses in them. So I really like this, and this is a special edition one. So I'm actually super excited I stayed for this, because this is probably like fall and October-y inspired, so I'm super stoked about this palette actually. And then the little extra product that came with this is, if I can get it out, a graphic eye marker. Black Magic is what this is called, and it's just like a thick black liner pen, and it's pretty black and creamy. It goes on really nice and easy. So I actually like this. This is actually a really good one. I'm super duper stoked about this deck of Scarlet. I actually really enjoy this palette. These colors are like just so insane. Like, look how pretty those are. Oh, there you go, you can see that now. They're just like so intense, and you only needed the one swatch and they all went on like super crazy intense. So I'm pretty impressed with this palette this month. This girl, she's got good taste. I don't know who she is, but I'll have to check and see if she has a channel. I'm guessing she does. But yeah, so this deck of Scarlet was probably my favorite I've gotten so far. I like the other palettes. I think they're really cool, like the pictures on them and stuff. And the like highlights are incredible, and the colors of shadows are cool, but only getting 3 shadows is kind of a pain in the butt in my opinion. That's just me. But yeah, other than that, I really like this. I'm super stoked about it, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you'd like to. Comment below and tell me if you get Deck of Scarlet, and if you like all the stuff you get, and if you use all their stuff. I know it's all cruelty-free, which is awesome. And like, I think it's more natural and good too, so that's really cool. But yeah, comment below and let me know what you guys think, and I will see you guys in the next video. I love you guys so much. Bye guys!